Assalamualaikum everyone, I'm Zorah Booley from In the Midnight Kitchen, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a 20-minute butter chicken. So this is a really great recipe to use when you come home late from work and you want something wholesome but limited ingredients, just fillets, and we are going to be doing that this afternoon. Okay, so I just strained the rice, and the coconut cream gives it a really nice sticky texture to it as well. So I just strained it. I'm going to put it in a very low heat so that it can steam through. People like to use a little bit of a parboiler, so it's one that goes on top and it steams right through with some water, but I'm just going to make a very quick meal because it's supposed to be done in 20 minutes. That's the whole point. So obviously you can see this beautiful red color that's just popping through really nicely. And like I said, this is enough for about 4 to 6 people. I really hope you do try this again. Bye.